What are you making, Emma?
Hey, baby.
What are you making?
A giraffe.
A giraffe. Very nice.
I didn't get to have a bath in the zone.
And what are you making, Zachy?
Eggs.
Oh, really? Nice. That is nice, Zach.
Cookie.
Hey, pretty girl.
Tea.
Can I get a smile? Oh, what kind of smile is that? How about a really pretty smile? Can you show your teeth? There you go. Good stuff. And Zachy, can I get a flying kiss? Flying kiss? Very nice.
What's that?
Do I get a flying kiss from you?